Hey there, skincare enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of skincare and create a basic, easy-to-follow routine that's perfect for beginners.
Whether you're new to skincare or just looking to revamp your current routine, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve healthy and radiant skin. So let's get started. Step 1. Know your skin type. Before we begin, it's essential to understand your skin type. Is it oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Knowing your skin type will help you select the right products for your specific needs. If you're unsure, consult a dermatologist. Step 2. Cleanse. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. Use a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser that matches your skin type. Cleanse your face twice daily, once in the morning and once before bedtime to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Step 3. Exfoliate. Exfoliation is vital for removing dead skin cells and promoting a brighter complexion. However, don't overdo it. Exfoliate only 2 to 3 times a week to avoid irritation and inflammation. Look for chemical exfoliants with ingredients like glycolic acid or salicylic acid for a gentle yet effective exfoliation. Step 4. Toning. Toning helps restore your skin's pH balance and prepares it to better absorb the following skincare products. Choose a toner that suits your skin type, and apply it using a cotton pad or by gently patting it into your skin. Step 5. Hydrate. No matter your skin type, hydration is crucial. Applying a moisturizer locks in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. If you have oily skin, go for a lightweight, oil-free formula. For dry skin, opt for a richer, more nourishing moisturizer. Step 6. Sunscreen. Never skip sunscreen. Applying sunscreen daily shields your skin from harmful UV rays and helps prevent premature aging and sun damage. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, and reapply every 2 hours when exposed to the sun. Step 7. Nighttime routine. At night, your skin enters a repair and renewal phase. Consider incorporating a few extra steps like using a gentle cleanser, applying a night cream with nourishing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or retinol, and an eye cream to target any specific concerns. Building a skincare routine takes time, and results may not be immediate. Be consistent with your routine and patient with your skin. Allow at least 4 to 6 weeks to see noticeable improvements. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. Lastly, always listen to your skin. If a product causes irritation or discomfort, discontinue its use immediately. Pay attention to how your skin responds to different products and adjust your routine accordingly. Congratulations! You've now created a basic skincare routine that will set you on the path to healthier, glowing skin. Remember, the key is knowing your skin type, using the right products, and being consistent. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy skincare.